everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a new Meijer must-do deals video for you from February 13th through the 19th of 2022. And a big happy Valentine's Day, everybody. So on Monday is Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments if you're doing anything special for Valentine's Day. And of course, today on the first day of this sale, we have the Super Bowl. And if you're not aware, I am actually from the Kentucky side of Cincinnati. That's where I currently live. So we are big Bengals fans in this household. So hooday. So hopefully you're watching this on Monday or Tuesday and the Bengals have already won. And you can just say, oh yeah, go Bengals. Or, you know, you have the little tear face emoji for me because, yeah, it'd be really sad if they lose. So anyway, looking forward to seeing the game later on today as I'm making this video, and hopefully great news is coming our way. Before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And let's check out what is happening at Meijer this week. All right, let's talk about a deal going on with Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. So for this particular sale this week, you want to grab 3 of them. Now, they are regularly priced $2.99, but the sale is buy 2, get 1 free. So you can pair that with a 4 off 2 coupon from Save 2.9. This is the last week to use your coupons anyway, so you might as well go ahead and use them on this sale. There's also a $1 off 1 in perk that you could use if you don't have the 4 off 2. And there were printable coupons from coupons.com. If you printed them, you can definitely use those as well. They are no longer available to print. But obviously 4 off 2 is the best deal. So final cost would be $1.98 total, or just 66 cents each for this shampoo and conditioner. So not a bad deal there. Alright, so if you've got little ones, this might be the time to head to Meijer to stock up on some diapers, or maybe if you are getting ready to expect a baby or something like that, you want to grab some diapers. So one of my biggest things I can tell you is if you are expecting, go ahead and start accumulating your diapers now when they're really, really great prices, because you don't want to have to head to the store and when you have a baby on your hip and they're screaming and crying and you have no diapers, you want to make sure that you are loaded. I should show you sometime my diaper closet I had at one point in time with my third. I didn't start couponing until after I'd had my first 2 kids. And so when I had my third, I had an entire diaper closet, and I didn't purchase diapers for like the first 2 years. And then when I did purchase, it was like just deals basically, just to kind of fill in those larger sizes. Anyway, grab 2 of these Honest diapers. Now, these are boxed diapers. They're regularly priced $25.99, and this week they are buy 1, get 1 free. So that's 50% off right there, which is a great price. Out of pocket, you're going to pay that $25.99 for 2 of them, and then you're going to submit to Ibotta for 3 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times, so you get $6 back, making the final cost $19.99 total, or just $10 each. These are $26 boxes of diapers that you're grabbing for $10. Really, really great deal. Now, real quick, I just want to make you aware, if you are not familiar with Ibotta, this is a rebate app that all couponers must have. If you are new to couponing, you want to go ahead and download Ibotta right now. If you go to the description box below, you're going to see that I have a link and a referral code to join Ibotta. You want to use that to join today. It is well worth it. I promise you, it's my favorite rebate app out there. There's actually 2 rebate apps I recommend if you are a newbie to couponing. You want to start out with Ibotta, and you want to go with Fetch. Those are the first 2 ones you want to do. They're simple, they're easy, and they give you the biggest bang for your money as far as submitting and all that stuff. So those are the 2 I highly recommend, but definitely go to the description box below and click on those links if you haven't already. All right, let's talk about more diapers. Grab 2 of the Meyer diapers this week that are regularly priced $5.99. We have a buy 1, get 1 in perk. So your final cost for these are $5.99 total, or $3 each. Now, these are obviously going to be like the bag size diapers, not the big boxes, but still a great stock up price here. All right, so let's talk about this new promotion this week. So you're going to get $5 off instantly when you buy 2 either Vaseline, Nivea, Eucerin, or Gold Bond skincare products. Now, I am going to be putting the next couple of slides together based on the products, buying 2 of the same product. You obviously can mix and match these products. So you could buy 1 Vaseline, 1 Eucerin, that type of thing, and put your deal together if you're wanting to get that. But I am going to do this a little different. If you have a scenario that you did that's different from what I'm listing on the next couple of slides, please leave it in the comments below. I know I wouldn't mind seeing other people's deals, and definitely other people may want to do a different deal than what I have listed. All right, so grab 2 of the Vaseline Lotions, the 20.3 ounce. These are regularly priced $6.79. $5 comes off instantly when you buy 2, and you can also use a $2.50 off 2 from Save 213. Or there is a $1 off 1 in perk, obviously not as good as the $2.50 off 2. So your final cost for 2 of these is $6.08 total, or $3.04 each. Now, Eucerin, let's say you enjoy using Eucerin better. You want to grab 2 of the Eucerin lotions that are 16.9 ounce. They're regularly priced $7.69. When you grab 2 of them, $5 comes off instantly, and you can also use 2 of the 3 off 1 coupons from Save 130. So your final cost is going to be $4.38 total, or $2.19 each, which is a great deal. Of course, Eucerin, there's lots of different sizes and products and things like that. Just be cautious of the coupon. I believe the coupon was like 3 ounces or more or something like that. So you can get cheaper Eucerin with this deal possibly, but the coupon may not apply based on the size limit. So just take that into consideration. Gold Bond, if you like this particular lotion the best, grab 2 of these that are 5.5 ounces. They're regularly priced $5.19. The 5 off instantly will come off when you buy 2, and then you can use 2 of the 2 off 1 in Smart Source 130. Final cost is going to be $1.38 total, or just 69 cents each. Great deal here. Okay, guys, the next you'll hear, I am just going to preference this with, I have not been to the store to see if the Nivea Men Shave Balm is participating item, and I cannot tell online. So, if this deal is a part, or this product is a part of the buy 2, get $5 off instantly, you're going to have a freebie and a moneymaker. So let me just preference this deal that I have not tried it just yet, okay? All right, so grab 2 of the Nivea Men Shave Balms. They're regularly priced $5.19. Now, hopefully there's signage in the store to let you know that they are part of the 5 off instantly when you buy 2. If not, you could obviously just try it, and if it doesn't work, just have them take it off. Not a biggie. You can use the 2 off 2 coupon and save $130. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $3.38. Ibotta also has a rebate for $2.50 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. So your final cost is going to be completely free and a $1.62 moneymaker, which is an awesome deal. All right, so we have some coffee here. The Cafe Bustelo, I'm guessing I'm saying that right, 10-ounce cans, regularly priced $5.89. These are on sale for $3.49 this week, and we have a $1.75 off 1 in perk. So put that all together, your final cost for one of these is just $1.74. All right, guys, this is another week of this deal. If you did not get a chance to grab it last week, you have one more chance to grab it this week. I actually tried to grab this at the store last week, and my particular store was completely wiped. And in fact, they weren't just wiped of the Dean's dip, but they were wiped of like yogurt and cream cheese and all kinds of things. So I don't know if it was a delivery thing or if people were really just coming in and grabbing stuff. I will tell you, Kroger I went to yesterday, and they had finally gotten cream cheese in, and I know I stocked up on some cream cheese, and then apparently later on that was wiped again. So because there's certain products they're having a hard time keeping in stock, when they do become in stock, people are grabbing as many as they can. So Dean's dip, that's 12 ounce, regularly priced $1.99. There's a $1 off 1 in perk. It does expire on the 19th, so you have this whole week to grab this. You would pay out of pocket 99 cents and then submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times, but your final cost for one of these dips is just 24 cents. So great deal. All right, here's another deal kind of put together here. I'm not a big fan of paying for toothpaste, so I'm not in love with this deal, but if you are needing this, or maybe you need to get the Glide floss picks or something like that, you know, might as well. So grab one of the Crest toothpaste that's regularly priced $2.99. That's the cheapest toothpaste that I think applies to the coupon and the deal. And then you want to grab one of the Oral-B Glide floss picks. Again, these are the cheapest ones of all of the participating ones for the coupon. Regularly priced $3.99. It's buy one, get one 40% off. So the 40% off should come off of the $2.99 toothpaste. Then we can also pair that with $1 off one in perk for Crest and $1 off one in perk for the Oral-B. So your final cost would be $3.78 total, or $1.89 each. Again, I don't love this. I think we could do better deals other places. But again, if you are in need or you already were planning on getting something, you might as well do this deal. And instead of paying $3.99 for one Oral-B Glide floss picks, you could get 2 products for less than that. So just a thought. All right, another pretty good deal is the Love Beauty and Planet Body Wash 20 ounce, regularly priced $7.99. We have a $2.50 off one in perk. Out of pocket, pay $5.49, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on one. It's a limit of 3 times. Final cost is going to be $2.99 for one of these, basically, because you only have one in perk. All right, guys, let's talk about what is happening at Meijer with their Buy 5, Save 5. So if you're not familiar with this particular sale, it's very similar to a Kroger Mega Sale, or how Kroger Mega Sale used to be. You do have to buy in multiples of 5. So every 5 items, $5 comes off your transaction. So 5, 10, 15, 20. You do not have to buy 5 of the same item. You can mix and match the items in order to get to your multiples of 5, and then $1 comes off. You can pair these with coupons, rebate apps, things like that. So again, we've got a couple of matchups for you here. The first of which is the Dannon Light and Fit, or Oikos 4-count yogurt. These are regularly priced $3.89. They're on sale for $3.49, part of the Buy 5 for $2.49, and we have $1 off one in perk. So 4 yogurts for just $1.49. Not a bad price there, actually a pretty good price there this week. We also have a deal on the Kraft shredded cheese, 8 ounces, regularly priced $2.99, on sale for $2.89, part of the Buy 5 for $1.89. Pay that out of pocket. Then you could submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Final cost $1.64 each. If you need cereal this week, grab 2 of the General Mills large size cereal, regularly priced $4.19, on sale for $3.49, part of the Buy 5 for $2.49, and we have $1 off 2 in perk. Final cost is going to be $1.99 each. All right, so this is still going on. I know this was in my video last week, but if you didn't have a chance to grab it, or you just now got your coupons in, or whatever the deal might be, you can still grab the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, 28 ounce, regularly priced $2.89, on sale for $2.49, part of the Buy 5 for $1.49. We have $1 off 2 in Smart Source 2.6. Final cost just 99 cents each. Sticky Fingers barbecue sauce, the 18 ounce. Even though this is a cheaper deal, it is 10 ounces less than the Sweet Baby Ray's. So take that into consideration. But this barbecue sauce tends to be more expensive. It's regularly priced $3.09. On sale for $2.49, part of the Buy 5 for $1.49 each. And we have $1 off 1 in Smart Source 2.6, making the final cost 49 cents each. Great deal here. Crystal Light on the Go 10 count, regularly priced $2.69, on sale for $1.99, part of the Buy 5 for 99 cents. You're going to pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents off of 1, a limit of 5 times. Final cost is 49 cents each. Kind of crazy, so I went and did this deal at the beginning of last week, and then my Ibotta rebate was gone, and it is back today. So I'm going to see if I can take my receipt from last week and go ahead and submit it and get my 50 cents back per Crystal Light. I was really, really bummed that it had disappeared, but now it's back. So I don't know. Check your Ibotta and make sure it's still available to you. Now, we also have a deal on the Country Time lemonade drink mixes. These are regularly priced $2.99, on sale for $2.49, part of the Buy 5 for $1.49. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 1. Final cost is going to be just 99 cents each. And if you don't like the Country Time lemonade, We also have a deal on the Kool-Aid drink mixes that are regularly priced $2.99, on sale for $2.49, part of the buy 5 for $1.49. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one, a limit of 5 times. Your final cost is just 99 cents each. Alright guys, so here are some more Lysol deals that are just amazing. Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner, or the all-purpose cleaners, regularly priced anywhere from $2.07 to $2.67, on sale for $1.97 each. Part of the buy 5 for 97 cents each, which is a great price. And then we also have 50% off 1 coupons from Smart Source 26, or there's $1 off 2 in perk. So your final cost is going to be just 47 cents each. Don't forget, we also have a really great deal going on for the old El Paso taco shells. So grab them for regularly priced $2.69, on sale for $1.99, but part of the buy 5 for 99 cents. No coupons needed. You're going to grab these for just 99 cents each. Alright guys, real quick, just a reminder to you, if you have not joined Fetch Rewards and you are new to couponing, this is the other app that I told you about. You want to make sure that you do that ASAP. I have a referral code in the description box below, so definitely join with my referral code. Basically, what happens is you just take a picture of your receipt, submit it. Every receipt, you're going to get 25 points. You can turn those points into gift cards. It's a really, really awesome deal and super, super easy to do. I think that's probably the best part about Fetch is it's not like Ibotta is even a little bit more difficult because you have to activate all the different rebates and all that stuff. It can get kind of confusing if you are new to couponing. So Fetch Rewards makes it super easy. All you have to do is snap your receipts and you can grab your points and then turn them into gift cards. So definitely join today if you're not already a member of Fetch. Alright guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you want to keep seeing Meyer videos, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, ring the notification bell, and hit all. If you're not following me on social media, I have that all linked in the description box below. And hey, go check out my coupons.com link. See what's new with the printable coupons for this Sunday. Have a great week, and I'll see you later. Hoo day!